i-mix.
Pangga.
You mix what did you mix? Lindell, did you mix
Imo na naon, diba?
with salt? No salt.
Oh, butangan ni mag-asin.
You put some salt, and this is the passion fruit. What it looks like. Actually, it's nighttime right now, so it can't see really good. But that's the passion fruits. Look like tomato inside, right? Like
Well, don't forget my dragon fruit.
nothing.
Wait a second.
That's a
You
dragon.
also got a fruit.
This is what it looks like
Tingnan ang dragon fruit, ilang tawag, anak.
on the outside. But it's so easy. Just wash it,
This dragon is
cut
red.
the end, and then just peel it. Peel it. Like an orange. Easier than an orange.
And then
So fast. And just cut it in pieces. It's super soft.
you just fill it. Okay.
Super soft. And then you can juice with it or eat it. And it's so delicious. It has seeds, but it's all delicious.
So how about it's like tomato, please? Come here.
it tastes it's best Lando describe some.
I cannot.
What's it described? Can it taste? Some? It's not is that tomato taste? No.
Sure, because
Looks like
You can eat the seeds. That's too much. Can I eat the seeds?
oh yes, yummy.
Yummy, yummy. Okay.
Just like how you want the watermelon seeds.
Really?
I got good news, Jed.
Ugh,
You need juice for
it's so soft. Yandel.
Yummy.
How did you survive this? No. It's very sorry. You like sorry?
Yeah, that's what I said.
It's really
Kasi ako kauna ni Pangga.
first, lami ko no, lami.
We have that in Bacolod, man.
She said it tastes really good, but I taste right now is so sorry. But even she adds with salt. Then no, then. It's so passion fruit. That's tatawa. And then she put the salt. Look at the salt she got.
Dili mo ta ko mo dayon ani ningon mo siya yung naka-try siya.
You can it's so sour. Uy.
So, all right, we're getting ready to use the blender.